In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a location name on Google Maps. Maybe you've noticed that a place you visit often has the wrong name, or a business has rebranded and the map hasn't caught up yet. Editing a location name in Google Maps is actually quite straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you feel confident making accurate changes. First, open Google Maps on your device. You can do this either in a web browser on your computer or through the Google Maps app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Being signed in is important because suggested edits are tied to your profile, and it also helps Google evaluate the trustworthiness of your contributions over time. Next, find the place you want to edit. You can do this in two main ways. You can type the name or address into the search bar at the top and press enter. Or you can zoom and drag around the map until you see the pin or marker for the location. When you see it, click or tap on that place to open its information panel. Once the info panel is open, look for an option that says something like Suggest an Edit. This is usually near the business name or in the main details section. Go ahead and select that option. This is the gateway to correcting information such as the name, address, hours, and other details. After you've chosen to suggest an edit, you'll see different fields that you can modify. Focus on the name field, click or tap inside the name box, delete the incorrect name, and then carefully type the correct one. Make sure spelling, capitalization, and spacing are accurate, especially for business or organization names. Consistency really helps users find the right place quickly. If the name change is part of a bigger update, like a full rebrand, it can be helpful to quickly double-check the official website or signage to ensure you're entering the exact new name. However, avoid adding extra marketing phrases, slogans, or special characters that aren't part of the official name. When you're satisfied with the correction, review the rest of the details just to confirm nothing else looks obviously wrong. Then, submit your edit. Google will usually display a message letting you know that your suggestion is under review. These changes are not always instant. They may take some time to be checked and approved, and in some cases, they may be rejected if they can't be verified. And that's it. By taking a moment to edit a location name on Google Maps, you're helping keep the map more accurate and useful for everyone who relies on it.